good grip.
Nice!
Welcome to Restoration Rescue. Welcome back to another week here at Restoration Rescue. Last week we knocked out our cab corners. That thing's all welded in, looking great. But this week we're gonna be slicing and dicing up some floors, and we're gonna be whipping out our brand new Harbor Freight SCT tool made by Bauer. Make sure you guys check out last Wednesday's video when we did an unboxing and review of this tool. Alright, so we broke a lot of stuff today, and unfortunately some of it was us, our air compressor, and our truck. So I cut up my finger again, man, just back to day zero without injury, unfortunately. Our brand new air compressor motor decided it didn't want to be friendly today, so it caught fire. Unfortunately, we didn't get that on video for you guys because that would have been pretty cool. And then we come over here and we cut up our truck a little bit more and broke some things that we were hoping that we wouldn't need to. So you can see this panel right here is for our transmission cover, where the transmission runs underneath it. And you can see that it bolts, and it would bolt in right into this panel, which is the main floor of the passenger side for our truck right now. And you can see it was bolted in. Unfortunately, up here on the bigger part of the transmission tunnel, we had a bolt that just did not want to come out, so we had to cut it out. And when we were trying to that, we bent the panel up. It's already rusted on this side, so not that big a deal, but we were able to get it out. But we can show you on this new panel of how it's supposed to lay out. This is our nice new panel from LMC Trucks. It kind of slides underneath this panel and bolts like that in, and there's a nut on the bottom. I'm gonna pick this up again. You can see these nuts right here that are welded on here, and the bolt would just go right in and through these and hold it all together. But we had to cut a little bit out more than we wanted to, but we welded that, or got that all cut out. Unfortunately, we didn't have any time to weld this week, but we wanted to give a big shout out to my parents. They saw last week's video, saw how bad we were sweating out here and how hot it was, and they took our plea for help and got us a really, really big fan from Harbor Freight. So thank you to them, and thank you to Harbor Freight. We also wanted to show you guys a little bit of something. We really, really, really love golf. So we went out and we were able to get tees that have our name on it. We got a brand new set of golf balls that have our logo on it with our Restoration Rescue, a nice little golf ball, the Titleist right here. And we also got our ball markers that have our logo on it. But we did run out of time this week, guys. We appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you guys next Saturday.